This time, we are going to explore the operation of the engine coolant temperature sensor in a car. This sensor is crucial, as it is responsible for reporting the temperature of the coolant to the vehicle's computer. Generally, it is located in the engine block, just below the thermostat. Its main function is to convert the temperature of the coolant into a voltage signal that the computer can interpret. This sensor, which is a thermistor, has a variable resistance that changes depending on the temperature of the refrigerant. Thus, the computer sends 5 volts through one wire and ground through another, allowing the system to adjust the engine's operation according to thermal conditions. One of the first symptoms we can observe when the coolant temperature sensor fails is high fuel consumption. If the sensor consistently reports cold engine values, the system will operate in cold start mode, resulting in rich fuel mixtures. Not only does this increase gas consumption, but it can also generate black smoke in the exhaust, as the engine is burning excess gasoline. In addition, fault codes related to rich mixtures and incorrect sensor voltages are likely to be generated. This problem can lead to premature engine wear and an increase in vehicle operating costs. Another problem that can arise is that the sensor freezes or only reports cold engine values. In this case, the engine fans may not activate, which could lead to overheating. However, this depends on the vehicle system, since in some models, the same sensor that uses the computer also activates the fans. In others, there is a separate sensor for each function. If the fans are not activated, the motor can reach dangerous temperatures, which could cause severe damage if not corrected in time. It is essential to be aware of signs of overheating to avoid further damage. When the coolant temperature sensor is constantly reporting hot engine values, the problems are also significant. One of the most obvious symptoms is difficulty starting the engine. This is because the computer receives conflicting information, which can result in a very short pulse width in cold engine situations. If the engine manages to start, we are likely to experience an unstable idling, which can affect the overall performance of the vehicle. In addition, the readings on the board's temperature gauge may be incorrect, showing values that don't make sense. This can lead to confusion and wrong decisions about the condition of the engine. In conclusion, the engine coolant temperature sensor is a vital component that can significantly affect vehicle performance. From high fuel consumption to overheating issues and difficulty starting, their failures can have serious consequences. It is important to perform regular maintenance and be aware of any symptoms that may indicate a problem with this sensor. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it or found it useful, do not hesitate to like it. I invite you to follow here on the channel for more related content, and until next time.